Namaskar friends. Once in a lifetime, we all have to visit our dentist, either in relation to caries or severe dental pain. Depending upon the progression of your caries, your dentist may often advise you removal of your tooth. This short video highlights some basic tips for faster oral healing after a tooth extraction. Keep calm and relax. Before you visit your dentist, it is always advisable to first have a telecommunication and take a prior appointment. Dental phobia is not a new thing in dentistry. However, it is always better to talk to your dentist about your fears. Hopefully, you won't be afraid by the time it comes for the actual procedure. There are certain things you need to take care before the appointment. Ask your dentist about the dietary instructions. He may instruct you to not to eat for at least 2 to 3 hours prior to the procedure. Avoid smoking at least 12 hours prior to the procedure, and this is also the best time to quit smoking. Before the procedure, share your medical history with your dentist. Blood pressure and diabetes are very common among the Indian population, and you may be prescribed prophylactic antibiotics prior to the procedure. Medicines like Ecospin, commonly known as blood thinners, may often create complications post-extraction, and you may need to stop 3 to 5 days prior to your appointment after your doctor's recommendation. Also let your dentist know if you are on any sedation drug. Local anesthesia is given in the area where the tooth is removed, and your mouth may continue to feel numb for 3 to 4 hours after the extraction. Take special care not to suck or chew on your lips, tongue and cheeks as it may cause injury. Avoid hot and spicy food immediately after extraction, as these food items might increase the discomfort and cause delay in healing. Start with a soft diet, preferably a bland food and ice cream. Yogurt, protein drinks and smoothies are all great options. You may also apply ice pack from outside 2 to 3 times in a day. Post extraction, your dentist may place a gauze pack over the extraction site. Keep the pack for next 45 minutes and as instructed by your dentist. After removal of gauze, it is normal for the extraction site to bleed slightly or ooze blood for 12 to 24 hours. It may often come with swelling, fever within the next 24 to 48 hours. Don't panic, it will heal and subside on its own gradually. Your dentist might give you an extra sterile gauze. If it starts to bleed again, place the gauze piece on the site again for next 10 to 15 minutes. Do not bend down or lift anything heavy. Avoid going to gym or running or doing any excessive exercise, as this will create pressure on the wound site. Avoid drinking through straws, rinsing your mouth out or forcefully spitting. This could lead to dry socket. Swallow your saliva. While sleeping, take care not to sleep on the side that has been operated. Start brushing and oral swishes next day. Do not miss on your medications. Painkillers are often prescribed as part of the recovery process. If you are allergic to any medication, let your dentist know immediately. We are there for you 24/7. Keep our contact number safe and feel free to contact us in case of an emergency. Thank you and have a great day.